Welcome! Today we're going to look at clearing the cannot detect error on your Brother MFC-J6955DW.
This video will cover multiple models. Even though your machine may not match the model referred to on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Genuine Brother ink cartridges contain a chip that communicates the color, ink volume, and model of the cartridge to your printer. The cannot detect error appears when the machine cannot detect the correct cartridge has been installed. Please note that cannot detect ink volume is a separate error and is not covered in this tutorial. If your machine displays the cannot detect ink volume error, follow the link in the description for the appropriate troubleshooting procedure. To begin, examine your machine's display to determine which one or more of the cartridges are causing the error, and open the ink cartridge cover. Then release the corresponding ink cartridges by pressing the lock release levers. Remove the cartridges and verify that they display a genuine Brother INKvestment tank logo on each label. Be advised that using non-Brother ink and cartridges can affect print quality, as well as the performance and reliability of your Brother machine. Next, verify that a green identification chip is mounted to the top of the ink cartridge. If the cartridge you are using displays the wrong part number or is missing the green chip, you will need to replace it with a genuine Brother cartridge of the correct part number. With the cartridges still removed, close the ink cover and unplug the power cord from the wall for 15 seconds. And then plug the power cord back in. Once the machine restarts, the no ink cartridge error will be displayed. Open the ink cartridge cover and install the missing cartridge slowly and firmly until it locks into place. If more than one cartridge has been removed, install them in the order listed on the display. Close the ink cartridge cover. If the error message clears, then your troubleshooting is complete. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.